What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last video, we have talked about if-else condition, and today we are going to talk about if, elif, and else condition. At first, in the same way we put the if condition and the text expression after this and the colon marks, and there is a body of if statement, and before the if statements, don't forget to put an indentation before this. And then we put the elif condition and the text expression colon marks, and there is a body of elif. And in the end, we put the else and a body of else statements. Well, let's go on and take a look at the flow control of elif. At first, in the same way, the program will evaluate the text expression of if, and if it was true, it will go on to body of if, or if it was false, it will go on to evaluate text expression of elif, and then if it was true, it will go on to body of elif, or if it was false, it will go on to body of else. Alright, it is the flow control of elif structure. Let's go on and demonstrate it. Alright, let's take a look how to use elif. For example, we set a price equals 201, and we set a if, elif, and else condition. At first, if and price larger than 200, and it will print sell. And elif, the price bigger than 190 and smaller than 200, and it will print how. And else, it means if the price is more than 190, and it will print buy. Alright, let's execute it. As you can see, it outputs sell because the price is 201. It's bigger than 200. It is the condition of if, so it outputs sell. Or we change the price to 193 and execute it again. As you can see, it outputs how. Because the price is bigger than 190 but smaller than 200, so it prints out, and we change the price to 172 and execute it. Yeah, as you can see, it outputs buy. It is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the flow control of elif structure. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.